to my YouTube channel. It is 8 o'clock in the morning and I made myself just a lungo, which is a really big cup of espresso. Oh yes, just gonna sip on that today. I didn't know if I was gonna do this video, to be honest, but I was gonna do this today regardless. But I thought it would be good to give you guys an update on my planner setup. I have some planning to do for this week. It is Sunday, and Sundays are my days to really plan out my videos, my workouts, my grocery lists, and really take time to journal and all of that good stuff. There's also a mark on my agenda. I don't know what that is, but I'm still using the same agenda from Louis Vuitton. It was honestly the best investment that I could have made. This is actually great timing for back to school, all of my dolls that are in college. If you want to treat yourself to something really nice that you can really customize and have forever, this is definitely an item I would recommend. You can even find these on the pre-loved market for a fraction of the cost. It's just held up so well. So if you guys want to see the initial unboxing and review for this item, you guys know I'll leave it linked in the down bar. As far as my planner goes for inserts, it's very empty. I took out all of my previous week onto pages and threw them in the trash. So if you want to see that setup, I did a 2018 planner setup video where I showed you guys the unboxing of the Filofax that I was using, and honestly I hated it. I stuck it out for 8 months and it was like torture for me. The reason being, it was too many colors going on, it was too many different languages, and it was just too busy. And I realized when it comes down to planning, I like simple white background with simple minimal text. So I could show you guys just a preview. I do have some of the pages left in here. You can see it just has a bunch of different colors for every single month. These are just the to-do list pages, which I never used because, again, I just found them to be way too busy. You could see up here there's just all these different languages that I don't know what it means. Obviously I know it means to do because it's in English here, but that was just extra stuff that I didn't need. And I don't know, like, I just was never a fan of all the different colors. But some people might find that to be fun and helpful to kind of separate everything and to add more color in your life. For me, I prefer to add color in with markers and colored pens and highlighters and all of that good stuff. So that's why I prefer more of a minimal look. But I am going to remove these pages. I don't plan on using these. I do have a bunch of other paper back here. Now, I don't mind this because this is just blank paper with, you know, the colored tab on this side, so that could be fun to keep in here. There's just no other extra languages going on, and then some ruled pages as well. Now, I do use this as a planner and a journal, so gratitude journal and just a daily journal as well for meditation. So I do have, you know, blank white papers here. I have stuff written in here, so I'm not going to go through it, but I will leave the ruled pages that I get from Amazon down below because these are my favorites. They are Filofax brand. They are pretty thin, and just keep that in mind if you like to use colored pens like I do. I really like to use these markers. I prefer to use colored ink like this, the Papermate Flares, because they come in so many fun colors and I can really organize my stuff that way. So keep that in mind if you do use Filofax inserts, if it's the blank ruled pages or the planner, like the week on 2 pages that I had in here previously. These markers do bleed through, which is a huge reason why I did not like this set. So I'm happy to show you guys the new inserts that I purchased because it's really thick paper that does not bleed through, and I can happily use all of my fun colored pens with them. So that's just kind of an overview and breakdown of how I use my planner and what's inside. I do have these dividers, which I purchased on Etsy. I don't really mind them. I think I'm going to keep them in here because they're all fun, different prints and all that good stuff. And then in the front is my dashboard, so I have this little pocket here, which is good for me because I can stick little pieces of paper in there that are important, notes that I want to know. I can stick them on a sticky note right in the front of my planner, so that's exciting. And then right behind that, this was an old insert that I had from 2017's set that I purchased on Etsy, and it's by the same girl that I purchased from this time around, so I'll be sure to leave it linked down below. But this is just a year at a glance, and it has all the general holidays here down the middle. Just nice to see everything in an overview. Oh yeah, do you guys like espresso? Let me know down below. So behind this first tab is where I'm gonna put the new inserts for my week on 2 pages. Everybody plans differently, so I personally prefer a week on 2 pages spread. I don't think I ordered any, no I didn't this time. I didn't get the month view because I don't plan that way. The only way I use a monthly calendar is through digital. That way I can schedule out appointments and meetings, and I can have an actual physical alert that will go off. So like flights and all that good stuff is really important to me, so I need to have a physical alert that will let me know, hey girl, you gotta leave right now because traffic. So these are the cards that came with the set. They're so cute. They always come with cute like themed ones. So these are fall themed, and it just says blessings on it, and it says change can be beautiful. So these could be really cute to just put in that front pocket, honestly, or in the side pockets of your agenda. I have tabs here that I got from Target Dollar Spot. I do those little hauls from time to time, so definitely check those out. And then I have my Jeep card and then my business cards over here, but I think I'm gonna stick this here because I think it's just cute for fall time right now. Show you guys the week on 2 pages. Now I love planner videos, so I like to get really detailed. Also, don't mind my nails. Pulled those off the other day. So with the week on 2 pages, I really like this because I have a lot of room to do my bullet points. I like to plan with bullets and like list making, and if I need extra room, all I will do is grab like a pad. I have tons of stationery stuff, so if I need to add more things in detail for that day, you know, I can pull one of these out and put that right in the front of my dashboard. So I definitely utilize sticky notes and list making. But what I really love about this Etsy shop and most Etsy shops when you buy planner inserts is you can buy for the current month, which is amazing. So if you go to the store, maybe like Target or Staples, you know, you buy a planner and you're already, look, we're already in September, the 9th month. I don't need to buy January, February, March of 2018 because that's long gone. So you can really start fresh, and then it goes all the way into, you know, 2019, which is so scary to me how fast time goes by. But I love how bright and simple and minimal these are. It tells you the week number here at the top, the year, and then the month. Super simple, no other extra languages, no colors or anything that's going to distract me from seeing what it is that I need to do for the day. So like I said, I prefer to do week on 2 pages because I can see the whole week at a full glance. But for me, this is all I need to see. Videos that are scheduled out, that are going live, things I need to post, deadlines that are due for brands and collaborations, any phone calls and meetings that I have to take, workouts that I need to plan. I like to write that down so I'm not doing the same things every single day. And I also do keep track of things like my weight and all that good stuff for my healthy lifestyle. So it just depends on what you want to use your planner for. If you're going to school, maybe this isn't enough room for you to plan, so you might want to have more space to do so. There's so many different options on Etsy, which is why it's my favorite way to kind of customize my own planner. So let's go ahead and put these in here because I want to be able to see what it all looks like. I just love this agenda so much. Oh my gosh, my morning voice. Look, it's so early. But seriously, I wish you could see how thick. Look, like it doesn't even bend. Like this is one page. It doesn't bend easily like these do. These are so flimsy. Look at that. It's terrible. So these are really thick pages, and I really appreciate that about this set. So today is Sunday, the 9th of September, which is usually the day that is super busy for me. I need to go ahead and do some stuff. I'm not sure if this is going to be an actual plan with me video where you're going to see what I'm doing in a week. If you guys would like to see that, then be sure to thumbs up this video and leave a comment down below. But this was more so just an updated review on my old set and why I do not recommend it and why it didn't work out for me. And that's just the thing, you have to find things that work for you and you can stick to it. And it's kind of funny because when I first bought this agenda, this was the set that I purchased for my planner the first time around, and then I left it, and that was the biggest mistake of my life. So sometimes you just gotta go back to things that were working right for you, or maybe even sometimes you have to try new things to understand what works best for you. How about that? That's some real talk. As I flip through, it's all just very minimal and simple, and I think it comes with a note page, just like one note page here in the back. Yeah. but I don't really utilize that because I have all my other blank pages here in the back of my agenda. So that is an overview of how I use my planner. Now you can see with the pages in there how thick and full it is because of the paper. So if you're gonna get this for the you wanna look for personal size cut with the holes, the 6 holes in it, okay? You can order them without the holes, but your girl needs the holes in them. I don't know, this is just so cute. I love this. So you could use this as a bookmarker. I think I'm gonna put it in the back of the agenda in the back pocket. I had to flip some things over because personal things are in here, like checks and bills and all that good stuff. Coupons. Oh, I like to put coupons in here too. Okay, anyways, I digress. And look how cute. I have these little page tabs, which I get from, again, the Target dollar spot. They have some really, really cool stuff. I have my little catch-all here, so I have a couple of these, which are really nice. So if you guys want to see those hauls, I'll leave them in the cards. And I also like using these clips as well sometimes to mark off certain pages that I can just flip to. I'm gonna mark off this current week so that I can quickly flip to it. And then this one I usually use for my journal, so I'll put it on the next blank page. Personal stuff. So just put that right there on the next blank page. So again, I can easily just flip to it, and it actually looks really cool when your planner is closed up. Oh, also guys, before I close it, I have to add my little pen, which again I got from Target. In like that little gift section around the holidays, you can find some really cool stuff, you guys. Don't be sleeping on it. But look how cute and fun my agenda looks. I have my page tabs up there, my page markers, which you can easily see and flip to without having to go through every other page, and then my pen sits perfectly here inside. So that is my new updated planner setup. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Do you think I should kind of switch these out maybe to something more pink and gold to kind of tie in with everything else? Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys have any of your favorite planner shops on Etsy, let me know down below. I'm always browsing and looking for new stuff to purchase. So hopefully this gave you guys some fun inspo if you are looking to be more organized within your daily life, or if you're going back to school and you're looking for a new setup that might work best for you, or if you're a business owner and you want to have something to really just keep everything all in one place. This is definitely a great item. You can get them in larger sizes and even smaller sizes. She's thick. She's really thick now. I don't know, I just love my planner, and I love that it's back to normal now. It just makes me so excited to utilize all of my pens again and my highlighters and everything like that. I hope that you guys take a second to subscribe to my my YouTube channel if you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just a very organized person, and I like to have everything sort of laid out in front of me, and I am such a list maker. Let me know if you guys are the same in the comments down below. But until next time, me and my planner will catch you in our next video.